Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, and this is a look that I have filmed multiple times for my 12 days of Christmas looks. And I don't know why, but this look, like every time I film it, something goes wrong. This time, apparently 2 seconds in, it stopped filming, and I can't see the camera when it's on or when it's not from where I'm at. So that sucks. I used this Juvia's Place Tribal palette. My sister bought this for me. I adore this palette. It is amazing. I've used it several times now, and oh my gosh. There's 4 mattes and 5 shimmers, and this lime green here is just so gorgeous. That's called Masai. And then there's Orma, which is this orange color. These do not swatch very well, but as you can see, they apply beautifully. Tootsie, I think that's how you pronounce that. Tulsi is this amazing green. I guess they look better. If you rub your finger back and forth over them a little, they stop looking so patchy and blend, which is, you know, what they do beautifully. And they really do blend beautifully. So I guess maybe that's what I need to do. Normally though, I just do one swipe swatches. Apparently these need to blend a little bit so you can see how gorgeous they are. The next row is all shimmers. And this color here, Caro, sometimes in the lights you can see colors better than like they actually look in the pan. This color looks like a cream glitter on the eye. It's what I have on my inner corner. It is like this gorgeous greeny shimmery, like gorgeous color. It reminds me of the one that's in the Alamar palette. We got BoxyCharm, love it. Then there's Chaga, which is this brown. I don't think I've ever even used this shade. It is a gorgeous shimmer though. Like these are all just so beautiful. Cuba, another one. I haven't used it all. Holy cow. That shade is intense. Like intense. Very deep blue, midnight blue shimmer color. Then we have a Shanti. And this is a khaki greeny brown shade. Like in the pan it looks more brown, but when you get it on your lid, it definitely has a very greenish cast to it. It's very foresty looking to me. Okay, then we have Curla, which is this another orange copper, gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous shade. It is just a beautiful orangey shade. I haven't used that one much either. And then lastly, you have Sand, which is this deep green, very dark green. Like, look at that swatch. It is gorgeous. All of these are stunning. Like, seriously. I've used this palette a ton. For my Christmas looks that I've been doing, I've been combining it with the Grinch palette, and it is absolutely stunning. It is a great standalone palette. It doesn't really have a great base shade. For me, like I said before, when it comes to Juvia's 9-pan palettes, I'd rather they skip giving me a neutral shade and just give me all these gorgeous colors so that I can play with them because they are stunning. And these just, they're gorgeous. They've had a couple palettes recently that haven't been as good. The actual shades and everything in them are gorgeous, but the Afrique palette was kind of a major pain in the butt to work with. This palette is right back to their formula of just amazing, easy to work with, beautiful colors. The theme and everything, as always, their packaging is so beautiful. And I don't know if I'm going to try to film this look again or if I'm just going to throw this up. Like, I'm just going to throw this up and talk about the look or whatever, because I gotta tell you, when you filmed a look 3 times and it just keeps not working, you kind of go, I'm tired of doing that look. So, I don't know what's going to happen. I will put it up on Instagram. That's what I'm going to do, I guess, because I'm so frustrated with it. But I wanted to do this review because it's gorgeous. I was so sad because I was going to miss this palette, and if it weren't for my sister, I wouldn't have gotten it. So thank you so much for this, Carrie. I love it. I will use it a ton. Juvia's is my favorite brand. It is the only brand where I own pretty much their entire line. I own some of everything they have, and I own pretty much every palette they have. because they are amazing. Unfortunately, this coming year, I think that's probably not going to be able to continue. I just won't be able to afford to do that. You can never go wrong with them. And they are super affordable. So it is a gorgeous palette, like seriously. I've done so many looks with this lately, and I am obsessed with those greens and oranges in there. They're so pretty. Let me know what you think, and if you've tried this palette, what your thoughts are, because like I said before, these swatches, like, holy shit. They speak for themselves. I totally get the tribal theme from this. It's a very foresty looks to me. I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!